Good morning. I'm Patty Brennan. I'm recording this morning to introduce you to Nursing Informatics, Nursing and Health Informatics 564-764, which will be offered this summer, 2012, at the School of Nursing at University of Wisconsin-Madison. This is a class that's primarily organized for Doctor of Nursing practice students. However, this summer we're going to have quite a range of students in the class. We're going to have undergraduate nursing students, graduate nursing students. We're going to have graduate students from other fields, including the CIBM, the Computers and Computation and Informatics and Biology and Medicine training program. I'm looking forward, most importantly, to be able to introduce you to what I think of are the 5 key foundations of informatics for nursing health. We're going to explore clinical applications, including getting evidence into practice. We're going to explore consumer health and public health informatics. We're going to focus a lot on design and developing new technologies for the future, for students, for faculty, for staff, and for patients. And finally, we're going to, for those of you who are interested, develop the informatics foundations for your Doctor of Nursing practice project. We will be beginning our class on a weekly session, 2 hours every Tuesday evening from 5 until 7 p.m. We're going to use Adobe Connect to interact with each other. This is a special kind of conferencing software. Each student must be logged in individually in your own account. We'll have a large group session, and then we'll have several breakout sessions through the summer. We're going to have some guest lecturers, and we're also going to have a chance for conversation with some of the authors from your textbook. The innovation that I'm creating this semester that I'm most excited about is something called the Nursing X Prize. The Nursing X Prize is a design challenge to those of you who want to do it. It's not required, but if you want to do it, I'll give you an iPad for the summer, and I want you to either devise an app or find an app that you think might be helpful in your practice or research area and show us how useful it was. For those of you who don't want to get into the design end of things, we can have you work on creating the informatics foundation for your Doctor of Nursing practice project. Either one is fine. Everyone will do one semester project. You can work individually or you can work in a group, and you can interact with each other face to face, by phone, any mechanism that you need. I'll set up whatever electronic communications that would be useful to you. We're going to have an electronic poster session at the end of the semester. This will take the place of the usual long paper that people write and allow you to share each other's excitement and interesting work that you do. We're also going to have a poster extravaganza on the very last night of class, when the posters ranked best by you as a class get shared and discussed in more depth. I'm available to help you with your learning. I'll be here all summer. You can reach me by email, by phone, by text, by Twitter.